Here we have a video clip. Here I will mark that red car. I will select the video and go back to effects to search for brightness and contrast. Drag the effect and drop it on the video layer. Then come to Effect Control. From here I will come to Brightness and Contrast and reduce the brightness. From here you have to take an ellipse shape and capture the subject you want to bring. Ellipse shape you can make small or big according to your wishes. Then I will turn it inverted. Here you can reduce the brightness so that the subject can be seen better. I grabbed the subject here and came back to the effect. I reduced the brightness a little more. Then turn on the mask path. From here move the keyframe 15 times on the right side and grab the subject. Our subject was a red car. I grabbed this car again. And I will take the keyframe 15 times on the right side again and hold it on the subject. We can see that the effect of our marking with the car is working here. We can see that the effect of our marking with the car is working here. The other thing we have to do here is to make the effect bigger as soon as the car is gone. I will take one point of the mask expansion and another point along the back point of the last point of the animation, and you can make the effect as big as you want. Now you see the effect is getting bigger as the car goes away.